Great day, dear ones. Today we are going to discuss on the topic simple past tense. We are going to see the part 2 of it. In the first part, we saw the definition of past tense and the various situations where you will be using the past tense of the verb. Then we saw how you're going to use it with affirmatives and negative sentences and how you're going to use it while asking a question. And this part will be discussing on how with this first person, second person and the third person you will be using the form of verbs, the formulas that have to be used when you are using affirmative sentence or a negative sentence, an interrogative sentence or a negative interrogative sentence. So we are going to discuss it on the basis of the first person, second person and the third person, and under four categories, that is affirmative sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences and negative interrogative sentences. Let us dwell into the topic. The formula for simple past tense for first person singular is as follows. So that is the first person singular, you will be using verb in the third form, that is at the past form, plus object, whether it is the object is present or not, it is optional. I am using one example for all the formulas which we are going to see in this video. Okay, so I studied hard for exams. So it is an affirmative sentence. It talks about the first person in singular and it takes the third form of the verb, that is the past form of the verb. And for converting these sentences into negative, we will be using I plus did not plus verb, that is the root form of the verb and not the third form, that is not the past form of the verb but the base form of the verb, plus object, whether the object is present or not is optional. So let us see what is the negative sentence with the same sentence as the base. I did not study hard for exams. See, I is coming, did not is coming, and studied is not coming, but study is coming. Since did will be specifying the action that is completed, you will be using the base form of the verb when you're changing an affirmative sentence into a negative sentence for the first person singular. For converting these sentences into interrogative, so you have to make it a question. So what is the formula you are going to use? Did, you're going to start the sentence with did plus the subject plus the verb, and here too you will be following the base form, that is the root form of the verb. For example, did I study hard for exams? So did is coming first, the subject is coming next, and the root form, that is the base form of the verb is used and not the third form of the verb, that is the past form of the verb is not used. Did I study hard for exams? Next, for converting these sentences into negative interrogative, that is negative sentences with questions. So you will be using did plus the next is the subject. Then you will be using not, after which you will be using the base form of the verb, and again the object is, if it is present, okay, if it is not present, it is optional. So this will be the formula: did plus the subject plus not. So the subject will be coming in between did and not, and the base form of the verb will be used. For example, did I not study hard for exams? So did is coming first, in between I is there, that is the first person singular, then not will come, after that the base verb will come. So you will be using did I not study hard for exams. Remember the formula when you're going to make it a negative interrogative sentence. The formula for simple past tense when the first person is plural. So we saw that when the first person is singular, we saw the formulas. Now we are going to see when the first person is plural. You will be adding the third form, that is the past form. This is for the first person plural, and for the first person singular, you remember that you will be using the third form for affirmative sentences, and for all the other sentences you will be using the base form. And here with the first person, when it is plural, you will be using the past form of the verb for affirmative sentence. We studied hard for exams. We studied hard for exams. Next, for converting these sentences into negative, you will not as we saw in the sentences singular, but you will be adding the subject in between. Here the subject comes first, subject plus did not plus verb, that is in the root form, plus object. We did not study hard for exams, so the subject comes first. After that, did not is used for negative sentence, and study hard for exams, that is the base form of the verb is used and not the third form of the verb. For converting these sentences into interrogative, so you're going to ask a question in the past, okay, you will be using did. Afterwards the subject will come and the verb will come, and the base form of the verb is used. Did we study hard for exams? So even for the plural, you will be applying the same formula, but you will be using the subject in the plural form. For converting these sentences into negative interrogative, you will be using did plus subject plus not, so the subject is coming in between, plus verb, that is also in the root form. Did we not study hard for exams? Simple past tense formula for second person. So we have seen the first person, now we are going to the second person. The simple past tense, when the second person is involved, so what are the words you will be using for second person? Only you. So you plus verb in the third form for affirmative sentence plus the object. You studied hard for exams. For converting these sentences into negative, what you will be using? You plus did not plus verb in the root form plus object. So you did not study hard for exams. You can you understand? Yes. For converting these sentences in interrogative sentences, so you're going to ask a question. How you're going to ask a question? Did plus subject plus verb in the root form, that is in the base form. Did you study hard for exams? So for the first person singular, first person plural, and for the second person singular and for the second person plural, almost all the formulas are the same. Okay, did you study hard for exams? For converting these sentences into negative interrogative, so you're going to ask a negative question. Did plus subject plus not plus the root form, the same base form of the verb is used. Did you not study hard for exams? The simple past formula for third person singular. So third person, that is he or she. When you're using he or she in a singular and in the third person, what is the formula? He or she or common noun, any common noun or proper noun you are going to use, plus verb in the third form, that is in the past form for affirmative sentence, plus the object which is optional. He studied hard for exams. He studied hard for exams. That is he or she. You will be using he or she, or the Himalayas, the rain, everything, the proper noun. You will be using the third form, that is the past form. For converting these sentences into negative, he, she, a common noun or a pronoun, plus did not plus verb plus object. He did not study hard for exams is the form which you have to use. For converting these sentences into interrogative sentences, you will be using did plus subject, that is he, she or common noun, plus verb, that is the base form. Did he study hard for exams? For converting these sentences into negative interrogative sentence, you will be using did, the subject will come in between now, and then it will be followed by not plus the verb, that is the root form of the verb and not the third form of the verb, plus the object. Did he not study hard for exams? The simple past tense for third person plural, if it is for plural, that is you will be using they or common noun plus the verb in the third form for affirmative sentences. They studied hard for exams. And when it comes for the negative, you will be using did not in between the subject and the verb will be in the base form. They did not study hard for exams. For converting these sentences into interrogative, you will be adding did as you usually do, plus the subject plus the verb, and it will be in the root form. Did they study hard for exams? For converting these sentences into negative interrogative, you will be using the same formula, did plus subject plus not verb. So almost in everything you are using the same formula, but I want you all to concentrate on how you are going to write the sentences in the correct way. Thank you.